Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. Ang ating latest vlog, tungkol po sa ating part 2 of our Road to Vlog Anniversary. But subscribe na to our YouTube channel. At gusto mag-like, shares, comments, and views at abuti na, wow, 500 i-support natin sa ating social media. Latest vlog for the day 302, episode 302, entitled The Part 2 of Road to Vlog Anniversary. Here's your vlog. Okay, kung last week ay dalawa, top 5 and top 4. This week, dalawa this week. Pero ito, isa-isa muna. Dahil ang top 3 ay watch this. Nanonood ko ng The Kingdom. Maganda. Medyo historical films starring Vic Soto and Piolo Pascual. Congratulations to the whole cast. Maganda ng storya, maganda ng na konsepto for cultural heritage at saka colonials. Colonization is good naman. Greenbow's Health Best Picture. Congratulations to Dennis Tilio and Riru Rodriguez, won Best Actor, Best Supporting Actor, Sienna Stevens, Best Child Performer, Best Cinematography, and Best Screenplay. Okay, dahil ang top 3 po natin, which is the latest vlog, noong December, bago matapos ang taong 2024, yan ay MMFF 2024 Recap. Na the MMFF, nang ginanap ang ating showing from December 25, 2024 hanggang May 10 na until January 14. For, 3 weeks. Ngayon ay 4th week na po ng The Breadwinner is Greenbones and The Kingdom. Congrats! At ngayon ay mapapanood na worldwide ang And The Breadwinner is Greenbones and The Kingdom sa lahat ng cinemas worldwide na po. Katulad ng USA and sa Canada. But unfortunately, makakaroon ng postponement. Yung Manila International Film Festival, postponement to a later day dahil sa Los Angeles Wildlife. Stay safe sa mga taga Los Angeles, California, lalo-lalo na sa mga celebrities na nananahan sa California. And for Gabi na Pangalan, last December 27, nanalo po ang Greenbones bilang Best Picture. Second Best Picture ang The Kingdom. Third Best Picture, My Future You. And the fourth Best Picture ang Isang Himala. While the highest grossing film for the year 2024, MMFF, pero top 3 po yun in alphabetical order. Gaganon pa din. And the breadwinner is Greenbones and The Kingdom. Ayan. Nanonood ako ng The Kingdom nung araw ng Gabi na Pangalan sa SM Caloocan. Ang ganda yung yung konsepto, visual effects, alternate history, at syempre, or on colonize the Philippines. Na-never po siya ng colonize. Kaya, congrats and good job. Thank you, TV5, RPTV, APT, MZ, and MQuest Ventures for the film The Kingdom starring Vic Soto and Piolo Pascual. Now showing na in cinemas and in worldwide. And good luck sa mga MMFF entries sa MMFF kasi postponement dahil sa wildlife in California to a later day. Ayan. Yan po for our top 3 MMFF 2024 recap. Ano kaya mag top 2 and top 1 will be announced this Sunday sa ating vlog 303. But for now, maraming salamat po. See you next time on Sunday. Bye. God bless.